I love you both so much. Mwah. Mwah. I will see you later. I'm going to the store. Be good. Don't fight.
Oh, how could he like us equally the same? That's not even cool. I'm gonna see what the Doge has to think about this. What do you have to think about this? Down here. What do you have to think about him liking us exactly the same?
This means war.
What about me?
Shut up!
Just got this over here. Time to go get myself a weapon. What to grab? Nunchucks, big sword, or the sticky arrow, or the little pirate sword. Big sword it is. Yeah! That's yeah, I gotta get ready for war.
Come at me, bro. Die, you stupid cat. Ha! Dang it, it's a cork. Okay. Here. Plan 2. Hiya!
Stupid dog. Oh, you're so in for it now. You're so in for it. You're so in for it.